Mitthu Kids TV. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fan. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for star. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.